CarryPro brings to you PANGO, the ultimate camera backpack with 25 innovative features, specifically designed for creators, photographers, and digital nomads. Whether you are heading to a photo shoot, traveling across the globe, or commuting to work, the PANGO backpack is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. This bag doesn't hold you back. Wondering how? Keep watching. The bag is made with high-quality water-repellent ripstop fabric and long-lasting YKK zippers. Foamed on all the sides to provide security, it shapes and protects your expensive gear from jerks or sudden falls. The anti-skid bottom, flattened for the bag to stay vertical and hold its ground firmly. Easy-to-use lay-flat packing and portable camera cube allows that extra space when needed. The main back zip makes your laptop and tablet accessible. It also gives you an entry to the main compartment. Net pockets for organizing cables, batteries, or pens. For you photographers, the camera cube can be easily added or removed depending on your travel style. Side access means your camera, or anything else that you are carrying, is quick to grab when you need it. The outer flap has an inner pocket to insert the camera box side flap and provides quick access to camera or other items while on the go. The secured passport pocket sits against your back, keeping it safe from theft. You also have a side pocket to store a water bottle or tripod, front card or metro pocket, wallet pocket, book pocket, dedicated keychain and rain cover pocket. The power bank pocket lets the cable pass through the bag for quick usage without having to open the entire bag. The small net pocket inside the side access flap to keep batteries and SD cards. Trolley belt to hold your bag over any suitcase. Carrying gear outside your bag is made easy with our removable G-hook belt system. Tripod can be fitted on the front using the tripod base holder and belts. Chest strap reduces weight on your shoulders, and the lower padded belt helps you distribute bag weight on your waist. Elastic loops help in untangling the loose belts. The bag comes with a rain cover to protect your belongings during heavy rainfall. At CarryPro, we want to make sure your life is easy and comfortable. Are you a minimalist too? Then it's about time you declutter. You needn't burden your shoulders with multiple bags anymore. PANGO adds value to your money owing to its versatility. Venture the known and the unknown, the urban life and the outdoors, taking travel, photography, and day-to-day needs in equal stride. Do more and go further by carrying up your very own PANGO backpack.